Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. So, when I ended off the stream, I believe I was down about 260, right? At the low of day, we were down 300 bucks, but we were able to pull off the red to green and brought ourselves back from the depths, right? We went from red to green on BZFD. I overtraded this stock. I want to start off by saying I overtraded this stock and I was looking for something that was never going to come. I was looking for an explosion. I mentioned earlier in the pre-market session that I think this stock has the potential to go to $4, maybe $6, maybe $8. And being that it started this move, my eyes started to light up, and at every area where it potentially had a chance of just opening up and ripping, and I'm talking about 50, 60, 70 cent move into a halt, opening higher, so forth and so forth. I just kept attacking. I kept attacking. I kept attacking, and I did not stop. And unfortunately, this led to me trading a lot. And so, it happens. It happens. I think I did the right thing, being that we ended up seeing a move to $4. The expectation was there, and so I pushed, but unfortunately, in the process, I did overtrade a little bit. Now, on the good side, commissions are free. I also didn't cross the limit of 390 trades. At least I don't think. Yeah, I'm still at 332. So I traded more orders than usual, right? 390 orders on a 30-day rolling period. If you average more than that, they kind of flag your account. They kind of look at you as a professional trader. They charge you a little bit more fees. Being that, most days I'm actually around 100 orders, I have nothing to worry about here. But with that being said, I still overtraded a bit. So as the move pushed up, I didn't touch this area here. I saw some of the guys in the chat. Shout out to Red to Green, one of the guys who was able to get in early here at 90 for the breakout and selling into the push 305, 308. I wasn't watching it here. This is right after the live stream. I'm like, man, I need a break. I'm gonna, step back. So I saw it over here, and as it pushed up over 3, this is where I started getting aggressive, attacking and attacking and attacking it, and tried it throughout this entire range. Candles like this, I'm attacking. Here, I'm attacking, thinking we're gonna spring up that 50, 60, 70 cent move. Shorts are gonna cover like crazy, and it's gonna just take off right here again, attacking. I actually, was this the pullback? I bought this pullback here at 26. Initially, I'm aggressive as it's coming down, not quite getting the bottom. Like, you know what, let's size down. I'm in 26. I scale out 33 and 44 on the move up right here. So this was a decent trade, but it did go higher all the way to, let's see, we consolidated and we went to 52. And then after that, 76. So I did sell soon here, being that I captured this move so well. Let's try not to neglect the 5 minute like we usually do, or the 3, or even the daily. So we'll zoom in on those. But yeah, I'm attacking it. I'm attacking it. Here again, I'm attacking it. And I fell asleep. I'm listening to something on YouTube, and unfortunately, I fell asleep, kind of being distracted, missing this beautiful wedge pattern here, bear flag reversal, and I knew 40 was my trigger point. Right, so let's see, it's curling up, well, 50 rather, 50. It's curling up. We had this bottoming wick here at 340, and guess what? 52, 50, break of 50 really, and it goes right here. I missed this area. It's a little unfortunate. It is a little unfortunate. We could have made at least a good 10, 15 cents out of this, which would have added, another 200 bucks to the gains. This was a clean opportunity. We get this bit of a, flat, well, not really a flat top, but, slight pullback in here. And then we go again. It is a little tricky, but you see how well we start to hold 360, which is this blue line, this daily line that we had drawn out from way back when. Let's see if we can see that level. 260 was the high of this big red candle here with this high volume. So, it respected it really well once it got above, and it continued there to 425. So Even in this range here, I'm attacking it aggressively, attacking. Never really got that big breakout like I thought we would have been able to get. Moving on, AUVI, we are red 72. I'm guessing the trace came in as red to green. I can't even remember. Let's see here. No, at the very top. And so I was looking for the break of the 200 EMA. It didn't quite happen. This one was not able to break the 200 and hold above it very well. We did over here for a little. You can see it held it twice, really. Or if you want to say once, and then sold off. But yeah, no good over here. And you can see, guys, the 200 EMA, is no joke. And this is going to be one of those days on the daily chart where we come over to the 200 and it ultimately rejected the level, you know. So FOXO, I'm only green 37. You know, just couldn't get a good read on it in this area. Could not get a good read on it. Did not trade the resumptions well. If you can't really tell, if we pull, well, my E-Trade is closed. There was a few halts, I think right here, and then going down. So there's about 3 halts. Did not do well. It gave a good opportunity though, especially for those people who might have just been in early holding. FOXO was not too bad. You know, some of the entries that I took, I think we do have level 2. We're pushing 6 minutes. You can watch it, some of the level 2 action on this thing. Let's pull it up. Let's bring over this here and then go to videos and let's see. Okay, so wait, do I have that? What okay, there we go. FOXO, there it is. So as I come, it's halted at 109. It was called up early. I think I saw it at like 98, but I wasn't interested. So we have the resumption here. Let's see how it plays out. And how the first halt went is how the other ones kind of went. So there's a drop to 1. It seems like it's holding. I'm in at 03. I'm out at 7. I'm going to buy back here because I thought it was holding high, looking for a break of 10. There's 10. It doesn't quite go. There's a seller there. I'm back out. It flushes down to 03 on the ask. And that kind of, you know, scared me off a little bit. I'm like, that's not what I want to see. So it's going to come back up to 10, but I'm not going to be as aggressive to get back in. And it's going to lead to some missed entries here. There's a buyer at 6. It's doing its thing. Waiting for that entry. And that potential break. There's 10. There's 10, not quite. 10, 11, and you can see there's 15, 17. So I was not as aggressive because of that drop that we had to 03. So I'm, you know, waiting to make sure it's strong, and then it is. The way how the bids are fluctuating at 13, I don't quite get any entries. And so I ended up missing it. And that's kind of how this one played out, you know. Even the other resumption, I didn't really do super well. You can see it was really choppy on that resumption. So here we go. We're now halted at 29. It resumes. It flushes down to 20. The halt down is right there at 15, so I'm cautious. I don't want to get into aggressively, and then we do get new lows. And you can see it curls up. It curls up to a high of 38 right there. 40. You know, so just tricky stuff, man. Tricky price action. I take it here at 30. It doesn't quite go. And I believe it's going to come down here. Just didn't get a good read on this one. And likewise for the halt down, I thought it would have given a bounce. So we're going to resume. We're going to resume. I'm going to get long. I'm going to get long at, I believe, what was the low? I'm in at 16. The low is 9. And right here, I wanted to see a potential red to green, but I'm in kind of high. So I got back out, and I thought it was finished here. It's going to make a new low of 05, but it does crawl back up over time and ended up, going back to like 30. So, that was the day. We definitely could have done better, but, the good news is that we ended green. And, what I will do here to end the recap, I'll import my trades to TraderView. So here's the TraderView's metrics for the month. And of course, the monthly recap is coming soon, so we're not going to spoil it. But yeah, the month is looking very good so far. Just 3 red days, and we have 2 more days to go. So Monday, Tuesday, the aim is going to be green. Even if it's small green, that'll be good. And we'll look to see what February has in store, what February has to offer. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you are a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. It's been Relentless Trader. Check out those links down below for the Mometic platform, for the Instagram and Facebook pages, as well as for the Discord. And I'll catch you guys later. It's been RT, and I am, of course, signing out.